We've entered the garden.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Look at that one.
Hello. Very beautiful. Hello. Hi. Hello.
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 Okay.
Hello.
So many of you guys.
Hello.
Hello.
Mom, you can pet the birds.
You can.
Hi.
Hello.
Mom, it's not that one. It's that one. Look, it's that one talking, Mom.
Hello.
Mom, it's that one talking.
This guy's still dancing over here. Hello. This place is so fun. Hello. Oh, this one's pretty small.
Hey, watch out. Hello.
Wow.
Hello. Oh, that's George.
Look at all the little ones over here. Let me go over here for a second.
Hello.
Just for a second. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Oh. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Look at all the little guys over here.
Someone's napping.
It's napping.
Hello. Look, they got bird tea for 25 cents.
They do. I don't have any quarters. Aw, hi friends. You're so pretty.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, there's a
Hello. Look at this
Look, like a cockatiel.
beautiful yellow one over here.
Hi.
They're all beautiful.
Oh, I like the white one. That looks like a white parakeet. Hello.
Look at that green guy.
Look at this guy. Oh, I want the green one.
Hello.
Mom, can you pet these guys?
I'm not sure.